Yo, what's up guys? I'm here with another video for you guys. Another part to install on the Subaru, and today, as you can see, I am no longer running the Perrin bypass valve, and I went back to the OEM one. Reason for that is I don't know if the Perrin one was leaking or whatever, or something else was leaking, but I can hear like a kind of like a supercharger kind of sound when I'm in boost, so I'm pretty sure that was a boost leak somewhere. And when I went back to the OEM one, I couldn't hear it anymore. So I'm pretty sure that's the reason why it was leaking, because of the bypass valve from Perrin. Perrin did reach out and they were gonna replace it or whatever, do whatever they need to do, but I just didn't feel like sending it back and then getting another one. And I was thinking about getting a different kind of bypass valve. I was looking at the Cobb one, which that one looks really good too, but then Grimmspeed decided to release one, so I ordered one from them, and it finally came in after a couple weeks of waiting. So totally worth it though. So yeah, let me just show you how this looks really quick. Alright guys, here it is. Excuse the wind noise, it is pretty windy out here. So yeah, there it is. The Grimmspeed bypass valve. This thing is nice. It's pretty bulky. It looks more OEM than the Perrin one I had. As you can see, the pistons are here instead of the Perrin one was on this side for some reason. It was a different design, so this is more OEM style. So yeah, it's pretty bulky. Feels good, and yeah, that's pretty much it guys. I'm gonna install this really quick. As you can see, if you don't know how to install one of these, it's pretty simple. It's just the two bolts and the two little bolts right here, the screws that go right here, and the elbow, and you just got to transfer out the elbow. So yeah, let me get this put on, and then I'll be back. So yeah, transfer the old elbow into the new bypass valve, and just screw in the screws into it. Alright guys, well that completes the install of the Grimmspeed bypass valve. It is on nice and tight, so yeah, it's just bolt on, simple, and yeah, I shouldn't have to make any adjustments, and that's what I like about this one compared to the Perrin one I got, which lets you adjust a couple things, but you know, it didn't work out. So let's see if this one does a better job, and end up keeping this one for a very long time. If not, I can always go for the Cobb one, so we'll see. But yeah, that pretty much completes the install video, guys. It's not really like an install video, but it's just something I wanted to show you that I got on the car. So let's just finish up the video by showing you guys how it sounds on the car and inside and out. So stay tuned for the end of the video on that one. Alright guys, but besides that, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Alright.